In the wild, size doesn't always decide fear. Sometimes it's pure fearlessness. This is the moment a relentless honey badger faces off against one of nature's most feared predators, the crocodile. A creature built for ambush, crushing power, and deadly precision suddenly meets an opponent that refuses to back down. The crocodile waits, patient and silent, confident in its strength. But the honey badger, it doesn't hesitate. It charges with unmatched aggression, driven by instinct and a reputation for being one of the most fearless animals on the planet. What unfolds is not just a fight, it's a clash of survival strategies. Power versus persistence, strength versus courage. Every second is unpredictable. One wrong move could mean the end. Yet the honey badger keeps pushing, showing why it's known for taking on animals much bigger than itself. Snakes, predators, and now even a crocodile. This isn't just about who wins, it's about the will to survive against impossible odds. Because in the wild, sometimes the boldest animal writes the story.